Hello, I'm Antti from VRAcademi, and today I'm going to show you when you are inside the Tinkercad. So when you have logged in your account, this is the screen that you see. Here is you see your account, and you have some options like to 3D design something or to use Tinkercad circuits or code blocks. And there are also tutorials on how to make things. These tutorials are really helpful when you want to learn how to start tinkering things. But now let's go to 3D designs and let's create a new design. So we click on this button, create new design, and now we can see the Tinkercad user interface. So this is the first screen you see when you want to create something. So in Tinkercad you create, so like a sculptor creates marble statues. Okay, here you create digital 3D designs. So like a sculptor, you need a table in order to place your designs on. And the table in your case is the work plane or grid, this blue object here. And like the sculptor need material in order to create something, your materials are on the right part of your screen, which are the basic shapes on Tinkercad. Then, when you have the material, you have to work on it. The sculptor needs tools like hammers, grinders, or chisels. Your tools for your 3D objects are on this line on the top of your screen, and we are going to see them all in next videos. And then, like the sculptor has to see their design from all sides, from the front, from the side, from the back, here you have your place where you can choose how you see the design that you have created. And all of these three parts, shapes, the tools, and the view options, is something that you are going to use all the time. So if you liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.